60 to 65% of students are not able to crack that interview because they lack in technical skills, which easily showcases that recruiters are nowadays looking for technical skills in their employees. So it's time to upgrade your skills using PySpark. Our data analysis using PySpark Certificate Course is designed for both the beginners and the students who are very new to coding. This course explains everything that how to handle massive data sets, that too step by step. So you'll be able to handle massive data sets with both speed and precision. Along with this course will boost your resume and you'll be able to attract your recruiter. So don't let the old data analysis tool hold you back. Choose PySpark today and start your journey.